Hey guys, Shubham here back with another video. So today I'm gonna do OnePlus 6 ROM for the Poco F1. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the dedicated ROM for the Poco F1. You don't have to install the vendor system separately. You just have to flash this file, which I will give link in the description, and you will able to see this ROM on your own devices. So as you can see on the left side here, you will see the step counters. As you can see, you will also get option for the toolbox where you will see the new timer and send files. So on the notification panel here, you will see the basic option. You will also get battery saver, night mode. As you can see, it will show the warmer temperature to save your eyes. You will also get option for the OTG. So if you want to connect your OTG, you just have to turn this on, otherwise you can't connect your OTG here. And on this side here, you will get option for the reading mode. So it will turn out, as you can see, you will get two option in the reading mode: chromatic effect and mono. So if you turn this on, as you can see, all the colors will gone, so the whole screen would be black and white. And you will also get the Zen mode. You just have to put down your phone for some times, so this will help you do that. So on here, as you can see, you won't get external camera app. You have to manually install the camera. And let's check out the gallery. And as you can see, this is a dedicated gallery of the OnePlus. So let's check out the home settings. Here you will get option double tap to lock. So if you double tap on the home screen, it will lock the launcher. You'll also get option for the quick search and the all apps. So it will only show few apps on the here. You won't get app drawer. You will also able to add your own app icons. So as you can see, right now is round, so it will change the icon to the round. So let's start with the display settings, and here you will get option for the adaptive brightness. You will also get option for the screen calibration, and it's working perfectly fine. Here if you want vivid colors, you can set that, or if you want natural colors. And on the advanced, here you can change the color temperature. So if you want like really colder bluish look, here as you can see, or if you want warmer color, you can go slightly warmer as well. On the notch display, here you will able to hide the notch completely, as you can see, if you want to do that. You will also get video enhancer, where it will enhance the color while playing some videos. It doesn't have to be on the video player. It will automatically push the color even on the YouTube video as well. On the ambient display, it's not working, I don't know why. On the font size, here you will able to adjust the font size. As you can see, now the font looks bigger. I'm gonna set it on the default. You will also get option for the notification light. So here you can change the color, but this phone I guess only has the one color, so it doesn't matter. On the status bar, you can change the battery style. So if you want battery to look like circle, here as you can see, you can also hide the battery icon. You will also able to see the display network speed, but I don't have room right now on the notch. On the screensaver, here you can adjust the screensaver. So as you can see, it will show the certain colors after some time. You can also add the start this clock, as you can see. So let's go to the customization option, and here as you can see, you can change the theme. If you want to set dark theme, here you can do that as well. So it will automatically change the theme into dark. There's also a vibrant theme. So as you can see, it's like black and white. This looks really good in my opinion, this theme. You can also customize the buttons, and here as you can see, you can select the tone however you want. I'm gonna discard that. You can also change the shape of the icons. So if you want teardrop, So on the sound and vibration, here you will get option to adjust the sound. You won't get option for the Dolby Atmos. As you can see, here you can adjust the alert slider, which this phone doesn't have. You can also change the on the security and lock screen. As you can see, the security update is up to date. As you can see, it's not too old, and the fingerprint scanner is working perfectly fine, as you can see here. And let's check out the face unlock. And as you can see, the face unlock is also working fine. You won't get option for the IR face unlock, so it will only work in the good lighting condition, just to let you know. On the battery, here you will get option for the battery saver, so and you will also able to turn off the battery when the phone is at 90%, so it will increase the battery life. On the utilities, here you will get app lockers. If you want to lock any apps, you can do that. You will also get pocket mode, which will prevent accidental touches whenever your phone is on the pocket. You will also get option for the quick reply, so if you are doing something and if you got any messages, you can quickly reply without closing the app that you're working on. So let's look at the specification of this ROM, and as you can see, this ROM is based on the OnePlus 6. And here, as you can see, now I'm going to show you guys how to install this ROM on your own smartphone. So first, go to the recovery mode. Make sure you have proper recovery install on your smartphone. I do have TWRP installed on mine. So you just have to press the power and the volume up button, and you will able to see this TWRP. So now first go to the wipe, go to the advanced wipe and wipe Dalvik cache system and the data. After it's done, go to the install and install the ROM, which I will give link in the description. So you just have to flash this ROM. It will take few minutes. So I'm just gonna put my phone. So once it's installed successfully, now you can go back. Go to the wipe and format the data. I'm not gonna do that. So after you do that, you can reboot your smartphone to the system. So you should able to see this OnePlus logo running around. I hope you guys enjoy this review of the OnePlus 6 ROM for the Poco F1. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.